87th page. First question is, in the afternoon Shifat works in the house for 2 hours from 3 o'clock and helps her father from 6 to 9 in the evening. We have to find out what time did he finish the work and how many hours did he help his father. So first one question is, what time did he finish the housework? He works 3 o'clock to 2 hours from 3 o'clock is, here is 3 o'clock, 2 hours from 3 o'clock, 1 hour, 2 hour. So answer is 5 o'clock. So he can finish his housework at 5 o'clock. Again, second is, how many hours did he help his father? He helped his father 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock. From 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock, this is 6 o'clock. This is 9 o'clock. So 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. 1, 2, 3. So he helps his father 3 hours. 87 page. Second question. One day Reza left home with his father at 8 o'clock in the morning and came back at home 3 o'clock in the afternoon. How many hours was he out of home? So Reza works 8 o'clock. So Reza left home 8 o'clock and came back 3 o'clock. Morning 8 o'clock to afternoon 3 o'clock. Morning 8 o'clock to 12 o'clock is 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 to 12 o'clock is 4 hour. Again, twelve to 3 hours. So 4 plus 3. So you can tell 4 plus 3 is equal 7 hours. So he stay out from home total 7 hours. Relation between time units. 60 seconds is equal 1 minute. 60 minutes is equal 1 hour. 24 hours is equal 1 day. 7 days equal 1 week. As like second, minutes, day and week also the units of time measurement. Using relationship of time units, we have to solve this fill in the blanks. Question is 95 seconds is equal to how many minutes and seconds? We have to make these seconds into minute. We know the relation between seconds and minute. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. That's why I will subtract 60 from 95. So answer is 35. Here 60 means 1 minute. That's why I am writing here 1, and 35 is left, so I am writing here 35. So our required answer is 1 minute and 35 seconds. Another fill in the blanks question is 80 minutes is equal to how many hours and how many minutes. From here we have to make minutes into hour. We know the relation between minutes and hour is 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So I am subtracting 80 minus 60 is left 20. Here this 60 is 1 hour, so I am writing here 1 hour, and left is 20 minutes, so I am writing 20 here. Let's try to solve similar math from exercise. I hope you can solve the math. So no more today. Thank you very much.